Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products on the eBay application by uploading a picture of them. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Go to the top of the screen where you can see this search bar and tap on the camera icon. Then you should click on this camera button at the top and take a picture of the product that you are looking for. After that, you can see that you have immediately found the product that you were looking for. So here you can search among the results and select the relevant one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.